High above the ground, where the air thins and the horizon curves gently away, a falcon waits. It does not flap needlessly or circle without purpose. It hangs in the sky with quiet authority, reading invisible currents, watching the world below with eyes evolved to see what others cannot. The falcon is not merely a bird of prey. It is a product of speed itself, shaped by gravity, wind, and time. The evolutionary story of the falcon is written in motion. Millions of years ago, early birds competed for dominance of the air, experimenting with wing shapes, bone density, and muscle arrangement. While many evolved towards soaring and endurance, falcons took a different path. They became specialists of acceleration and precision. Their bodies grew compact and aerodynamic. Their wings narrowed and stiffened. Their muscles concentrated around explosive power rather than sustained lift. A falcon's skeleton is a masterpiece of efficiency. Lightweight yet rigid bones reduce drag and withstand extreme forces during high-speed dives. The chest houses massive flight muscles anchored to a keeled sternum, allowing rapid wing beats and sudden directional changes. Feathers overlap with surgical precision, creating a surface that slices through air rather than resisting it. Every gram serves speed. The head of a falcon reveals its purpose instantly. The eyes are large, forward-facing, and packed with photoreceptor cells far denser than those in the human eye. Falcons can detect movement at distances that would render prey invisible to us. They see not only detail, but speed, tracking fast-moving birds mid-flight with lethal accuracy. A bony ridge above the eye acts as a built-in sunshade, sharpening focus in bright conditions. The beak is short, curved, and deadly. Unlike raptors that tear prey apart with brute force, falcons rely on a specialized notch in the beak designed to sever the spinal cord quickly. This allows for efficient kills during mid-air strikes, where prolonged struggle would mean loss of control and altitude. But the true signature of the falcon is its dive. Known as the stoop, this maneuver transforms the bird into a living projectile. From heights that can exceed a kilometer, the falcon folds its wings tight against its body and drops. Gravity takes over, air rushes past at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. At this velocity, the falcon becomes the fastest animal ever recorded, faster than any land mammal, fish, or insect. Surviving such speed requires extraordinary adaptations. Air pressure during the dive could damage lungs and eyes if not controlled. Falcons possess specialized nasal structures that regulate airflow, preventing damage while allowing continuous breathing. Their nictitating membrane, a translucent third eyelid, protects the eye while maintaining vision. These features allow the falcon to strike with precision even at terminal velocity. The impact itself is brief and devastating. A single blow with clenched talons can stun or kill prey instantly. Often, the prey never sees the falcon coming. The attack ends as quickly as it begins, and the falcon recovers its prize in midair or upon the ground below. Falcons inhabit nearly every continent, adapting to environments ranging from Arctic tundra to desert cliffs and urban skyscrapers. Peregrine falcons, the most widespread species, have learned to nest on buildings that mimic natural cliff faces. Cities, with their abundance of pigeons and open-air corridors, have become unexpected hunting grounds. Despite their solitary nature, falcons form strong seasonal bonds during breeding. Nesting pairs return to the same sites year after year, defending territory aggressively. Eggs are laid on bare rock or simple scrapes, with no elaborate nest construction. Survival here depends not on comfort, but on position and visibility. Young falcons grow rapidly, learning to fly within weeks. Early flights are clumsy and dangerous, but instinct and repetition refine movement quickly. Parents train their offspring by releasing prey midair, forcing them to practice pursuit and timing. Failure is part of learning. Only those who master control survive to adulthood. Throughout human history, falcons have commanded respect. Ancient civilizations associated them with gods, kingship, and the sun. Falconry emerged not as domination, but as partnership, humans recognizing skill equal to their own and choosing cooperation over conquest. Yet even a creature perfected by speed is not immune to threat. The modern world presents challenges no evolution could fully predict. Industrialization, habitat loss, and chemical pollution once pushed falcon populations to the edge. Pesticides weakened eggshells, causing nests to fail silently. Entire regions lost their falcons not through violence, but through invisibility. Recovery came only through deliberate human intervention, bans, and conservation efforts. Today, falcons stand as symbols of resilience. Populations have rebounded in many areas, adapting once again to altered landscapes. Skyscrapers replace cliffs, bridges substitute for rock ledges. Falcons accept these changes not out of preference, but necessity. Their success lies in flexibility without compromise. Ecologically, falcons serve as regulators of bird populations, maintaining balance within ecosystems. Their presence reflects environmental health. When falcons disappear, imbalance follows. When they return, order slowly reasserts itself. There is no excess in a falcon's life. Energy is measured, movement is intentional, waste is minimized. Survival is achieved not through numbers, but mastery. Each flight is a calculation, each hunt a commitment. As daylight fades and thermals rise, a falcon lifts once more into open sky. It climbs steadily, higher and higher, until the world below becomes pattern rather than detail. Somewhere beneath, prey moves unaware. The falcon waits, and when it dives, it does not hesitate. Speed answers everything.